Hi everyone, today we're going to be changing the indicator bulbs. The ones in the car already, they're turning sort of like whitish and not amber, so let's go and change them. So in the bulb you can actually see cracks on the lining, that's the amber colour there. That's the reason why we're going to be changing them. So to remove the lens we need to take that bolt off and that bolt off, and that will require a T25, so we'll just do that. So those two are removed. Now we're just gonna lift it. There we go. So that's what they were on, there and there. So the indicator is this one here. And there we go. That's why it needed replacing. As a comparison, you can see why it needs changing. So we're going to put the new one in. And then put it back in its socket. There we go. Before we tighten it all back, we'll check it. As you can see, it's a lot better than what it was before, so we'll get this one tightened. We'll do the same thing with the passenger side. So we've got this side done, we'll do the other one off camera and then we'll show you the result. So there we have it, we've done the passenger side now, so that's the result. It's a lot better than what it was before. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.